Imagine getting the title Guinness World Record before the name of your organization. That too with making true impact for the greater good of the society. Thinking it is too good to be true? Well, Nyara has brought you an opportunity that is actually too good and yet true. Nitanju Association of Young Artists and Recreational Activities. Welcome to the Nyara family. Nyara is a Section 8 association of enthusiastic and passionate youth who can change lives with their love. If you want to know more about Nyara, you can check out our website, that is www.nayara.org. In the past 2 years, we have made 2 national records and 1 world record, with a burning desire to have a positive effect on the young and new India through our projects. Record 1, Ride for Revolution, with the shout out Ladkiyon Ghar Se Bahar Niklo. 18 days, 10 states, 21 cities, 4,600 kilometers, a solo ride on a Honda Activa by our founder Ms. Neetu Chopra made a great impact on the society. Record number 2, Gyanoday, a debate to empower youth and spread education. A national level debate competition aimed at empowering youth set off a remarkable journey by achieving a record of 25 hours and 30 minutes non-stop online debate competition with an active participation of 210 finalists selected from 904 participants from almost every part of India, and 6 highly esteemed master judges and 3 chief guests adorned this prestigious event with their presence. Finally, we got our name honored under the India Book of Record. The funds raised through participation fee and donations are being used for spreading education in the remote and slum areas. After getting titled with a world record and 2 national records, we are now pushing ourselves harder than ever before to set another world record. This time we are going for a Guinness World Record, and it will only be possible to accomplish this mission by uniting our nation. Start saving water before it stops saving you. We are planning to set the record under the title of biggest online webinar to discuss about 2 major topics. The first topic for the discussion shall be how to save and conserve water. We all know this as a matter of fact that water is one very essential resource for the lives on this earth, and if we fail to save it and conserve it, there is no doubt in saying this that within a very short span of time, water level, more importantly drinking water level, will be reducing to a point where using chemicals will be the only option left with our future generations, and perhaps it may result in their ruin. Mother Nature has a wide green smile on her face, but she knows how deeply damaged she is from within. Environment plays a very significant role in shaping our lifestyle and taking it towards our betterment. In today's time, we see a lot of people talking about environment verbosely, but no one is implementing the ideas to secure it and make the world greener and safer. We have chosen this as our second topic for the webinar because we want everyone to realize that if we are not able to protect the mother nature, we will not be able to survive with the kind of air that is present in the atmosphere today. Goal setting. We have 10 soldiers in our core team, and we are aiming of an army of 200 ambassadors, 2,000 institutes and organizations, and 2 lakh participants from all over India. What do we expect from the institutes? We would urge each institution connected with us to give us at least 150 participants from its side. The institution can provide us with a fund of rupees 16,500 Indian rupees. The institute can collect rupees 100 to 150 from every participant for the event. We are offering a certificate from the record agency. If any particular student looks for a participation certificate, he or she will have to pay the fee for the certificate, that is rupees 599 each. Why do we require funds from you? Nyara has taken this daring step to approach the dignified Guinness World Records, where on the day of the event, the Guinness team will be there for live adjudication to celebrate this great glory of the Naujawans of Nyara. This project requires approximately 15 lakh rupees, and to trump over such a task, we require funds from you. The core team: Aditya Kumar, President, Bhagat the Youth Wing; Lakshit Khakaria, Vice President, Bhagat the Youth Wing; Sukhmani Kaur, Assistant Director, Nyara; Mukul Sharma, Program Manager, Nyara; Shivangi Tripathi, Secretary, Bhagat the Youth Wing; Avisha Saxena, Secretary, Tagore the Artist Wing; Chinmay Vyas, Creative Designer, Nyara. Why this record with such a huge budget? We want to show the world that Indian public is really aware and serious about water conservation and environmental issues. We know this. If it would be a New Year party or entertainment show, this question won't pop up in our minds. We spend a lot of money on the print media and other social media promotions. Then why not we create an impact by this powerful webinar with a mass audience, which will be remembered as a remarkable history not only in India but across the globe. What do we expect from the clubs? As we have limited certificates from Guinness World Record, we are only approaching 5 reputed clubs and organizations who have chain in different cities. Participation from minimum 20 branches of club or organization. Minimum number of participants should be 150 from each branch. That makes a total of 3000. Minimum contribution of 16,500 rupees from each branch. That makes a total of 3,30,000 rupees. This contribution amount can be paid by the organization itself, or you can collect rupees 100 to 150 from each participant. What will you get? We are only targeting 100 institutions from all over India which will get certificates by this event. As Nyara is an NGO which is working to make this country a better place to live for everyone, so you will be a contributor in this noble cause, and in this act of humanity, you will be very conventionally provided with the Guinness certificate, which otherwise demands a lot of work and patience, and this will be a very impactful for your organization. This platform will provide you with glory and sense of pride both at the same time. This action of yours will be truly appreciated by us, and we will be doing the media coverages and promotions for your organizations. Hurry up, there are limited certificates. Individuals can also participate. Any individual can participate by paying the required fees through our website and can get the certificate by the record agency just by paying 599 rupees extra. It is so simple to register with us and avail the offer and get yourself recognized by world's most famous record agency. We have taken a daring step. Are you with us to create the impact? If yes, go visit the website and register now. Note, hurry up, certificates are only for initial 100 institutions. Together we will change the world. Thank you.